Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Ito malaking sampal sa administrasyon ng Marcos Jr. Itong public statement ng malalaking business groups sa Pilipinas. Ipinagmamalaki ng Philippine National Police na ang statistics daw sa krimen bumababa. Pinagmamalaki ni Speaker Martin Romualdez na the streets are safer now. Mas ligtas daw ang pamumuhay natin ngayon. Ganon din si Pangulong Marcos Jr. Mas maliwanag daw ang buhay. We have a brighter future. Peaceful place to live in ngayon. Nung nakaraan daw is madilim. Horrifying times daw nung nakaraan. Ito. Malalaking business groups nagsalita sa kapalpakan ng gobyerno ngayon, lalo na sa peace and order. Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry. I think ito na yung pinakamalaking grupo. Tapos, Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Philippine Exporters Confederation. And other major civic and cultural federation naglabas ng manifesto. Maraming pumirma. Basahin natin mamaya. Ito yung ipinost ni MJ Kiambao. Public statement. A call for justice and appeal for peace and order in the Philippines. Sana ito makarating sa PNP, makarating kay sa DILG, sa kanino pa, Department of Justice, sa Speaker of the House, sa Presidente, para tignan nila yung pinagmamalaki ng mas tahimik daw ngayon. Nagsalita na, malalaking business groups, with outrage and grief, galit at paghihinagpis. Dahil ito sa sunod-sunod na kidnapping ng Filipino-Chinese. With outrage and grief, we deplore with the strongest possible terms the heinous, barbaric kidnapping and brutal murders of Mr. Anson Key, a businessman, a pillar of philanthropy, and his driver, whose life was equally precious, equally sacred. And this came after the recent kidnapping of a young Chinese student in an international school and the killing of his driver. Magkasunod ito. Yung una, nag-press conference ang Secretary of Interior and Local Government. Nagmamalaki na rescue ko Yun pala. Nagbayad ng ransom. Ito, magkasunod. These acts are not merely crimes. They are an assault on the soul of our nation. Correct. A grotesque violation of humanity itself and a declaration of war against the principles of justice, decency, and peace that bind us as a society. Sige. Ayaw nyo kasi sa pamamalakad ni PRRD. Gusto nyo ito, mabait. Ito ang napala natin. Anson Key was more than a name. He was a testament to the power of enterprise wedded to compassion. His driver Armani Pabilio, whose name we must also etch into our collective memory, was a father, a son, a worker, a man whose dignity and right to safety were callously obliterated. Their lives were not taken, they were stolen. Their future were not ended, they were defiled. This is not tragedy. It is atrocity. Ito ang legacy ng administrasyong ito. Ayaw nila yung style Duterte. We reject utterly and absolutely empty platitudes. The hollow theories. The bureaucratic inertia that too often follow such horrors. No more excuses. No more deflection with side stories. No more tolerating the intolerable. We demand action swift unrelenting and transparent, to bring every perpetrator, conspirator, and enabler of this evil to account. Let the wheels of justice turn with ferocious speed, and let their verdicts echo as a warning to those who would dare repeat such infamy. Ano sa tingin nyo? Kaya ba ng administrasyon, ng PNP, NBI, or ano, nahuliin? Baka, I don't know. Ako, I'm skeptic na ko, duda ko. May napanood ako, o nabasa kong post, na sinisisi na naman ang Pogo, yun ang statement ng PNP. Pogo related daw ito, yung nangyari kay Mr. Anson Key. We call for an unyielding reinforcement of the rule of law, not through rhetoric, but through resolute systemic reform. Strengthen our law enforcement agencies with resources, training, yan. Pinagsasabihan na nila, ina-advisean na nila ang ating law enforcement, nakakaya. Training and accountability, eradicate the culture of impunity that emboldens predators. Restore faith in our institution by proving through deeds that no one is above the law. Dating ang presidente, kaya nilang ikidnap dalhin sa Netherlands. Ordinaryong Pilipino pa kaya. The safety of every citizen, every visitor, every resident, every child playing the streets in the whole Philippines must become non-negotiable. Mas safety daw ang mga kalansangan ngayon. Yun po ang payag ng Speaker of the House. An attack in the Philippines, peace and order is an attack on the stability of our society and our ideals as a democracy. To the families of Anson Key and Armani Pabilio, your anguish is ours. Your loss is a wound carved into the hearts of the whole Filipino nation. We pledge to you, their memories will not be buried with them. We will honor them by fighting unceasingly for the justice they deserve and the peace they were denied. So medyo mahaba-haba itong kwan. Let this be our covenant. From this day forward, let cowardice and cruelty met not with silence, but with thunderous roar of a people united. Let the Philippines be known not for the crimes that stain its soil, but for the unshakable resolve of its citizens to reclaim their dignity, their security, and their future. Justice for Anson Key. Time to act now. Yan na. Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Federation of Filipino-Chinese Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Philippine Exporters Confederation, and other Ito, ang daming nakapirma. Ito yung mga pirma, mga grupo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Basta marami. Mga grupo. Yan na po, ang nagre-reklamo sa nakakabahala na peace and order situation sa bansa natin. Isang sampal sa administration ngayon. Maraming salamat mga kaibigan sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating channel. Nakakatulong kayo ng malaki sa tribong Talandig sa Bukidnon dahil ang sweldo natin sa channel na ito is tinutulong sa tribo. Namimigay tayo ng libreng yero at pako sa tribo para ma-repair ang sira-sira nilang bahay. Panoorin nyo ang video na ito.
Karon mo na po ni ang natagaan din sa Sitio Garden. Tagaan siya og yero.
Kuan, ginabang mo. Mo ni gwapo ni nga asin ba kay kuan. Bago ni nga asin.
Mo na ni ang agianan.
Asin nga gihatag. Ginabang. Di kabut gyapon ta sa
Bahalag layo iya. Baklay gyapon.
layo ni.
At least makaatop.
Kuha na ko ba ni magkinilas kay kapoy kayo. Ba,
Wala kahit sinilas.
kuha kinilas ani. Layo man. ang lugar din bando. Idira magkadarira. Dia.
Dito pagid sa ilaya ang balay ni Kuya. Abot na gid sa balay ni Kuya. Muna ni ang iyang balay. Iyang payag. Iyang payag nga kawayan ng intawon. Ug ang dirira sila maglungag. Sa ayuta ra.
Nanggid ba sa kon ba? Minatik na balay.
Ug muna ni makita sa gawas nga bahin sa ilang balay nga nagtakilid na gyud. Ug giapiran ra gani og trapal ang ilang atop. Apan di na gyud makaya kay ang trapal lata. Karon niya unsa imong ikasulti nga karon na abot nang imong ngero. Makaatop na gyud ka og sen.
Salamat sa Ginoo nga nakaatop kog sin nga kuan gihatag sa kuan nga manginabag sa ko.
Oo.
Ay kuan. Salamat sa Ginoo nga kuan naka kuan mo
Makaatop na ka.
atop mo kog sin.
Di na mo maulanan.
Salamat sa nga bidso sa ako
Oo. So salamat kayo.
kayo sa tanan.